Hi, I'm Stephanie, and if you're here, there's a good chance that your mornings feel more complicated than they should. You stand in front of a closet full of clothes, and somehow, still, nothing feels quite right. You change outfits more than once before leaving the house. You feel slightly behind before the day even starts, and sometimes you even walk into a meeting still adjusting something, still not feeling right. Most women assume that this means that they need more clothes. They don't have the right clothes. The real issue is usually something else. Your wardrobe, it doesn't have a system. And when every piece in your closet is disconnected, getting dressed becomes a struggle and a negotiation every single morning. And that is exactly why I created the Empowered Style program. Inside the program, I teach a simple wardrobe framework designed to remove that daily friction. Instead of guessing what works, your wardrobe begins to work together. When your wardrobe has structure, you know what fits together. You know what works well for you, your specific shape, and who you are. You get dressed quickly and you walk into your day feeling prepared and ready and confident instead of rushed, instead of having that stress and that negotiation. This is not about fashion trends. This is not about more clothes. This is about clarity. Inside the Empowered Style program, you will learn how to build a wardrobe where every piece works together. You will be able to remove that daily decision fatigue and create outfit combinations that are easy to repeat. This is a practical system designed for real life. You don't need a new wardrobe. You just need better structure. And if calmer mornings and clearer decisions sound like something you want, you can get started now. Click the button and join the Empowered Style program today. I'll see you inside.